The more we read together. Here's a fun welcome song that a lot of librarians like to use specifically for library story time because instead of the more we get together, it's the more we read together. You can incorporate some basic hand movements with this one that make it a little bit more interactive and fun for your grown-ups and your kids in story time. So you can pat, clap, clap this one. So you're going to go pat, clap, clap, pat, clap, clap. Good. The more we read together, 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 the more we read together, the happier we'll be. With big books and small books and short books and tall books. The more we read together, the happier we'll be. Perfect. Have fun.